Hey everyone, I'm Ritu and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all some Teachers Day gift ideas. So I'm going to share with you some quick and easy way to appreciate our teachers, and I personally believe that this is the best way we can appreciate our teachers and show them how much we love them and how much we care for them. Honestly, I think that our children should always be respectful and thankful to the teachers, as after the parents, teachers are the one who really play an important role in our children's life. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you all about what my son and I have prepared for the Teachers Day gift bag. So let's get started. So the first and most important thing I would always like to add into my Teachers Day gift bag is a message of gratitude or thanks. And I always encourage my kids to make a handmade thank you card for their teachers instead of buying it from the shop. And now I'm going to share with you all this beautiful card made by my son. This is very simple and easy. As you can see here, using the yarn, he did this flower and with a smiley face here with Happy Teachers Day, and he mentioned his teacher's name here. Next item is scented candles. As you all know, scented candles are available in a variety of fragrances like lavender, rose, sandalwood, black forest, vanilla, ocean, many more. So I have purchased this box of scented candles and I would like to share with you all. Okay, as you can see, this is vanilla. This look like this. As you can see, inside they have these dried flowers. This is lavender. This is rose. And this is ocean, and the fragrance, I'm telling you, is awesome. So our next gift item is the hand sanitizer. I thought of this gift because the pandemic is not over yet. Even though most of the restrictions have been lifted up, still we need to do our part. We need to protect ourselves, to protect our family and our society as well. Our next gift, chocolates, everyone's favorite, old and young, and I think the teachers will love this. Okay, so I have bought this 49% cocoa delicious darker milky chocolate. Yeah, so this will be our last item in the bag. Okay, I have ordered this small pouch online because I wanted to pack my scented candles into it. So yes, let's get started. Okay, here is the gift bag I have ordered online, and I believe that you can get it easily from your local shops as well. So let's pack our bags. Here goes our chocolate, hand sanitizer, scented candle, and our thank you card. If you like to add in extra items into your bag, please go ahead. At the end, our Teachers Day gift bag is ready. If you really like my video, please like, subscribe and comment. Take care and bye-bye.